Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Teeho smart lock in 2026. So the most common way for you to unlock the Teeho lock is with a programmed user code. So you need to simply enter your code on the keypad and then wait for the confirmation signal. Now, if the code that you have entered is correct, you are going to hear a beep. You will see the indicator light turn green and the deadbolt will also retract automatically. So once it is unlocked, you just have to simply open the door within a few seconds before the lock relocks or times out. Now you can also unlock it with the help of the fingerprint. So if on your Teeho lock there is a fingerprint reader available, you just have to simply place your registered finger firmly on that particular sensor. Just make sure that your finger covers the scanner completely. When the fingerprint is recognized, the lock will unlock automatically and it will also allow you to enter without using the code. Now, some of the newer Teeho smart locks also support the application control via a paired gateway or the Bluetooth connection. So you can open the application and then you can press the unlock button inside it. And this way also you can unlock your Teeho lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.